6 Clever Ways to Use Coconut Oil for Gorgeous Hair. One of the most versatile products out there today is coconut oil. It tastes delicious, but did you know it could be a helpful and effective health and beauty product? In today's video, it will be discussed how hair can reap the benefits of coconut oil. 1. Reverses hair damage. Research has shown that coconut oil can prevent the loss of any protein in the hair, as well as strengthen the hair shaft. Coconut oil can also repair split ends that occur when the hair is due for trimming. 2. Prevents hair loss. The healthy fats contained in coconut oil help to nourish the scalp, fight inflammation and prevent any infections that may occur on the skin. Simply take 3 TBSP of coconut oil and 2 TBSP of sage. Mix together and cook over low heat until combined. Let it cool fully. Then, before bed, apply the mixture to the hair and scalp. Cover the head and leave it overnight. Then, wash out in the morning. 3. Fights dandruff. Dandruff is a chronic condition that causes a dry, flaky scalp. Coconut oil can fight any ongoing infection and can hydrate the dry, flaky skin that has occurred. Mix equal parts of coconut oil and castor oil. Then, massage into scalp and leave in for 30 minutes. Then, thoroughly wash out. This method is safe to use with each washing. 4. Smooths hair. Since frizziness is caused by dry skin and dry hair shafts, coconut oil can help. Coconut oil will hydrate the hair, from strand to shaft to scalp. Simply apply some coconut oil to your hair 10 to 15 minutes prior to shampooing. This will leave your hair smooth and silky. 5. Reverses gray hair. Coconut oil helps to restore the dying or dead pigment cells that reside at the end of the hair strand. It hydrates your scalp and the hair follicles. Use coconut oil mixed with lemon in your hair. Massage for at least 15 minutes each day. 6. Prevents lice. Lice are very common little critters that get into the heads of young children. However, lice treatment shampoos are very strong and can burn their scalps and necks. Instead, coconut oil can be used to hydrate the scalp and repel these itchy little mites. Coconut oil will create a coating over the lice and suffocate them. It will also prevent the eggs from sticking to the hair follicles. Adding a few drops of tea tree oil will strengthen the treatment even more. To use, simply add coconut oil to the scalp and hair, then leave in for several days. The oil will become absorbed and then you can reapply.